If you're watching this at 2 p.m. in your pajamas, feeling like the world kept moving while you got left behind after losing your job, I see you. I've been you. 3 months after I got laid off, I was hiding in my apartment in Australia, binge-watching Netflix, avoiding phone calls and wondering if I'd ever feel human again. Here's what nobody is telling you. You don't break down because you're weak. You break down when you are isolated. And isolation after job loss? It's not in your head, it's a real thing that millions of us faced. I'm Elizabeth Peischl, and after my own job loss nightmare, being a German alone in Australia with my family and friends all overseas, I created this channel to help people like us rebuild confidence after career setbacks. This is part 6 of our 7-part series, and today we are tackling the monster that nobody wants to admit, the crushing loneliness that comes after losing your job, being laid off or made redundant. You might feel invisible right now, like everyone else has a place in the world and you somehow lost yours. But here's the truth. I learned the hard way. You are still worthy. You still matter. And you're just between chapters. And today we are going to reconnect you with the most important thing you've forgotten, your own value. Why job loss isolation hits like a truck. When I got that call, Elizabeth, we need to cut down our staff by 10%, and unfortunately, I didn't just lose my job. I lost my daily conversations, my work friends, my sense of belonging. Studies show that the average person gets 50 to 60% of their social interaction from colleagues. When that disappears overnight, your brain goes into panic mode. But here's the kicker, and this blew my mind when I discovered it. A psychologist named Dr. Bruce Alexander did this famous experiment called Rat Park. He found that rats in isolation become addicted and depressed. But rats in a connected community, they thrive. The same thing happens to us. We are not broken. We are not weak. We are just isolated. And isolation makes everything feel impossible. Plus, when you lose your job title, you lose part of your social confidence. Suddenly you're not marketing manager Sarah or engineer Mike. You're just unemployed. And that word feels like poison, doesn't it? Here's what I wish someone had told me during those dark Netflix days. Your value didn't disappear with your employment status. Unemployment doesn't delete your skills, your kindness, your experience, or the way you make people laugh. Those skills are still there. They're just buried under shame and fear. Dr. Teresa Amabile from Harvard discovered something incredible. Small wins produce dopamine, that I can do that chemical. Your brain is desperately missing right now. So we start tiny. Make your bed, victory number 1. Take a 5-minute walk, victory number 2. Send one friendly text, victory number 3. Write down one thing you did well today, victory number 4. Small equals powerful when you're rebuilding from zero. And here's your new story. Instead of I don't want to bother anyone, try this. People actually want to hear from me, and I deserve connection. Say this out loud right now. I add value just by being me. Go on, say it. Your brain needs to hear it. If this is already shifting something inside you, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments what part of isolation after job loss hits you hardest. I read every single comment because you're not alone in this fight. Reconnecting with people. The 5-minute reach out rule saved my sanity. One person, one sentence. Hey, I thought of you today. How are you? No job updates, no sob stories, just a human hello. Dr. Gillian Sandstrom proved that even tiny social interactions boost happiness and crush loneliness. You don't need deep conversations. You need warm connections. Start with safe people. Someone who's always been kind, doesn't judge, feels easy. You don't need crowds. You need one warm voice. Then step into small communities. Not find your next job groups. That's too much pressure. Pick something low stakes. Library events, walking groups, art classes, community barbecues, free workshops, volunteering for just 1 hour. Here's what changed everything for me. I joined an NLP course. Suddenly I was surrounded by other people rebuilding their lives. We were learning together, cheering each other on. I wasn't the only one who had been laid off. I wasn't broken. I was just human. Harvard's 85-year study proves it. Connection is the #1 factor for well-being. Not money, not jobs, relationships. Follow the 2-person energy rule. Spend time with people who make you feel lighter, make you laugh, remind you that you matter. 1 hour with the right person beats 10 hours of forced networking. When someone smiles at you, your brain releases oxytocin. When someone listens, you feel safe. When you help someone, you feel stronger again. You don't need a job to be valuable. You can share a recipe, help carry groceries, give a genuine compliment, reply kindly to a message, water a neighbor's plant. This is how you build connection momentum. 1 person leads to 2, leads to 3. Momentum grows confidence faster than motivation ever could. As a German alone in Australia, I learned something profound. Life isn't all about work and delivering results. It's about having a good time, meeting new people and connecting. That's where your value really lives. Your 48-hour reconnection plan. You can change it up, but here is a recommendation. Day 1, internal value reconnection. Write 3 things you're generally good at. Take a 10-minute walk outside. Say 1 kind sentence to yourself. Send a friendly message to someone. Day 2 is the external people reconnection. Meet 1 person for a coffee or walk. Join 1 small event. Doesn't have to be on the same day. Do 1 tiny act of kindness. Celebrate your courage. That's it. No massive transformation required. Just 2 days of tiny, brave actions. You are not meant to rebuild alone. You are not meant to heal in isolation. You are not meant to carry fear or shame by yourself. Loneliness after job loss is common, but it's not permanent. You still matter, you still bring incredible value, and people want to connect with you. You are more than you think. I know because I've been in that dark place, hiding away, feeling worthless. But connection brought me back. Connection will bring you back too. Take 1 tiny step today. Reconnect with someone. Reconnect with yourself. Reconnect with your value. And in our final part of this Confidence After Job Loss series, we are re-stepping into something powerful. Building your comeback. Because that's exactly what it is. Your comeback story. If this video gave you even a tiny spark of hope, smash that subscribe button and share your experience in the comments. What's your next small step going to be? I'm here with you, truly. Confidence after job loss, layoff or redundancy? Your comeback starts here.